Hi friends, welcome back to your English Linguist, where we have fun learning every day. Today we're learning about trigraphs. Let me give you a quick introduction to trigraphs. A trigraph is a group of three letters that together produce a single sound, phoneme. Trigraphs play an important role in English spelling and phonics, helping readers understand how letter combinations can represent unique sounds. Mastering trigraphs is essential for improving reading, writing, and pronunciation skills. By learning common trigraphs like TCH, IGH, DGE, and others, learners can improve their spelling, pronunciation, and reading fluency. Recognizing these patterns also builds a stronger foundation for understanding the complexities of English spelling. Let's learn about the phonics sounds of trigraphs. TCH, IGH, DGE, SCH, NTH, EAR, AIR, URE, EAU. TCH. The three letters, TCH, combine to make the one sound, typically found at the end of short vowel words. Examples: watch, catch, match. IGH. This trigraph represents the long I sound and is often found in the middle or end of words. Examples: light, high, night. DGE creates the J sound and usually appears at the end of short vowel words. Examples: bridge, edge, badge. SCH. This trigraph usually makes the SK sound. Examples: school, scholar. NTH. It combines the nasal N sound with the TH sound to form a single phoneme. Example: month, 10th, 7th. EAR. The pronunciation of EAR changes depending on the word. For example, in ear, bear, and learn, the same three letters are pronounced differently. Although the sound varies, EAR still forms a recognizable and distinct letter combination across these words. AIR. This trigraph produces a vowel sound similar to air and is common in everyday English. Examples: chair, hair, fair. URE. Often found at the end of words, this trigraph gives a soft, flowing vowel sound. Examples: sure, pure, cure. EAU. This trigraph usually makes a long U or O sound. Examples: beauty, bureau, plateau. For better understanding, please watch the video again. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.